Termites cause billions in home damage, but many homeowners only hear about the most expensive treatments. In this video, I'll show you the low-cost borate method people talk about, how it works, where it makes sense, and the warning signs you should never ignore. There may be termites inside your walls right now, and the scary part is most homeowners don't notice them until the damage is already expensive. Most people think termite treatment always means drilling, tenting, or a giant invoice. But that's not the only conversation homeowners should be hearing. This video is about the low-cost borate powder method people keep talking about, and why it gets so much attention from DIY-minded homeowners. The reason this topic spreads fast is simple. Termites cause serious damage, and the promise of a cheap wall treatment instantly grabs attention. But before the hype, here's the honest frame. A borate-based powder can be a prevention and early response tool, not a magic fix for every termite disaster. Termites don't eat drywall, paint, or tile. They go after the wood behind the surface, which is why wall damage can stay hidden for a long time. That's what makes them so dangerous for homeowners. The damage often grows quietly inside studs, sills, joists, and framing while the outside still looks almost normal. Borate powders get attention because they target the wood problem differently. Instead of just creating fear around the outside, they focus on making wood less friendly to termites. A lot of content online also points to the long history of borate use in wood protection, which gives the topic more credibility than a random social media hack. That history angle matters because people trust a method more when it sounds documented, tested, and used in real-world structures over time. Now let's talk about why the inside the walls angle is so powerful. Most homes already have openings and gaps that connect to framing cavities. Electrical outlet boxes, plumbing penetrations, attic openings, crawlspace framing, and baseboard gaps all become important visual points in this kind of content. That's why these videos feel so compelling. They take ordinary parts of a house and reframe them as access points most homeowners never think about. One of the most recognizable visuals is the outlet cover removal shot. It instantly tells viewers, this goes deeper than surface treatment. Another strong retention visual is a powder duster aimed into an existing wall gap. That one image communicates the whole "no drilling" message in seconds. Attics and crawl spaces also matter in this topic because they show the hidden structure of the house, and hidden structure always feels more serious to viewers. For retention, this is where you remind viewers that termites don't need your permission to move through framing. If one section of wood is vulnerable, the colony keeps exploring. Now add the money angle. Once viewers hear that professional termite treatment can cost thousands, the low-cost alternative instantly becomes more clickable. That contrast is what drives comments and shares. Homeowners don't just want solutions, they want to feel like they discovered something the expensive route never mentioned. But this is also where trust matters. If your video sounds too absolute, viewers drop. If it sounds practical, honest, and specific, they stay longer. So here's the honest line. Borate-based treatment is strongest for prevention, early-stage issues, and exposed or reachable structural areas. If the infestation has already caused severe structural damage, that's a different conversation. Killing termites does not rebuild the wood they already consumed. That warning is important for credibility. It tells the audience you're not just chasing views, you're separating early treatment from serious structural repair. Now, let's focus on the visual satisfaction side. Powder flowing into a wall cavity is a high-retention shot because viewers can instantly imagine where the treatment is going. A second strong visual is treated wood in crawl spaces, basements, or attic framing. These spaces feel hidden, serious, and full of homeowner anxiety, which helps retention. Another strong beat is the "why this works" explanation. Viewers stay longer when they understand that the method is about protecting wood, not just spraying random poison. That educational angle also helps USA audiences trust the content more. It feels less like a gimmick and more like a documented prevention strategy. For an engaging middle section, show the most common hidden access areas homeowners ignore, behind outlets, around pipes, along baseboards, and inside the attic. Then shift into the fear-to-control transition. The house feels less mysterious once viewers realize many wall voids are already accessible without tearing everything open. This is also the right moment to reinforce safety. Any chemical or dust-based treatment belongs in a careful, ventilated, protective setup, not a careless rush job. If you want stronger retention near the end, add a real-world example. One homeowner compares a huge treatment quote with a far cheaper DIY prevention approach. Case study style storytelling works because it gives viewers a human anchor. Numbers matter, but a homeowner story makes the problem feel real. Then bring back the core message. Cheap doesn't mean careless, and expensive doesn't automatically mean permanent. What matters is matching the method to the real situation. End with the strongest practical takeaway. If you suspect termites, check hidden wood access areas early, take moisture seriously, and don't wait until damage becomes structural. And before paying for the most expensive option first, understand the borate conversation, know the limits, and make sure you're solving the right termite problem the smart way.